Hi, friends. So last week we learned what happened to the gingerbread boy when he tried to swim across the river. It did not go well for him. He crumbled when he was in the water, and if the river was made out of milk, he crumbled. And if the river was made out of oil, that would have been disgusting, but he wouldn't have crumbled in that. So the gingerbread man needs something to ride in, to ride across the river. So I've got several things to try over here and see if maybe we could make a raft or a boat or something for the gingerbread man to ride in. So we need to find something that floats. So I have my little river. And I've got some things over here to try to see if they're going to sink or float. Because first we need to see, if something's going to float so we can make something for the gingerbread boy to ride in. So I grabbed a couple of rocks. What do you guys think? Are rocks going to sink or float? Let's see. Let me put this one in. Oh my goodness. Can you tell? You could probably hear it went down to the bottom. Let me try this one. This one's a little flatter. See? I'm going to lay it very carefully and see what happens. Nope, it floated. I'm going to get wet. Got to get my hands in there and get those rocks out. Those are not going to work. What about a spoon? What do you think? Is a spoon going to sink or float? What do you guys think? Let's see. Nope, that floated right to the bottom. See? Or sunk right to the bottom. It didn't float to the bottom. It sunk right to the bottom. All right. Well, what about, I've got a toilet paper roll here. What do you guys think with this? Ooh, that floats on top. I could maybe use that, but I think if we let that stay in too long, it might not work. But the river wasn't it wasn't too far. So maybe we can use the toilet paper roll. That might be something. What about a magnet? What do you think? He could ride across on a magnet. Nope. That sunk right to the bottom. So that didn't work. All right. What about this bottle? You see Dr. Lashy drink her drinks out of these a lot of times. Let's see if that's going to work. Oh, you know what? That floats. That floats kind of nice. I'm going to take the lid off so we can fit it in a little bit better. Yeah. Yeah, that floats. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to stop what we're doing for a second and get a bigger river. Hey friends, I'm back. I got a little bit bigger river and a little bit smaller bottle. So I've got my Gatorade bottle now and a little tiny bit bigger river. So let's see if this is going to sink or float. Do you see that? It floats. But I don't know how easy it would be to put our gingerbread guy on this. We might have to build a raft or something for him to sit on. So we could build a raft out of this. We could maybe build a raft out of this. I also have some popsicle sticks. Let's see if they sink or float. They float. Look at that. Okay. I have an idea, friends. What if we make a raft with either our cardboard or our bottle and our popsicle sticks? I think either one could work. Let me grab the gingerbread boy. He's right here. Right now he's protected in a baggie. So if I put him in, he would be okay. But we don't want to have him in a baggie because that wouldn't work with what we're doing. So let me try, this is glue. This is a special kind of glue. And you might find some other things around your house. You don't have to have a special kind of glue. It's just the kind of glue I have at my house. You might have some other things at your house that you could use. I'm very interested in seeing what you guys are going to use to help the gingerbread boy make it across the river. But I'm going to put my popsicle sticks right across to give him a little something to sit on, because I think he would fall off of that. See, that does not give him anything very sturdy to sit on. So if he is sitting on the raft, I think he'll be able to make it across. What do you guys think? Gluing that on. You guys can hear my son, Davis. He is whistling away up there. You probably hear him. All right, I think that's probably wide enough. What do you think? Is that wide enough for the gingerbread boy? I think it is. Whoop. So I'm going to take him out of the bag. And we can put that right in there. Whoa. Uh-oh. I see a problem. Uh-oh. That didn't work. All right. Well, let's try it on our cardboard. Let's see if it works better on our cardboard. Or I wonder, what if we give it a base? Because it's too heavy now. I bet we could do that. Let's do the same thing on the bottom as we did on the top. The same thing on the bottom, so maybe it won't spill over. I was going to originally do 2 cardboards, but interestingly enough, we have thrown away all of our other toilet paper rolls. So I couldn't do that. But I think this might work. What do you guys think? Is it going to work with our gingerbread man? All right, let's see. Whoops, turn the light off. So now we've got the top and the bottom, so it shouldn't be so heavy on one versus the other. Let's see if that's going to work without tipping over. Oh, it doesn't tip as much, but it still tips. Let's see, what if we do it this way? Oh, okay. No, it still tips. All right, friends, that's not working. Okay. Well, okay, you know what? Let me try one other thing. Let's use this one. Okay. Let me try cardboard here, or a stick here, and a stick here. Let's see what we can build. There. What? And, oh, it's already starting to mess up. Harder than we thought to build this raft for Gingy. He doesn't have to go far, but it does have to float. All right, let me see. All right, gingerbread boy, come on. Is this gonna, no. It broke. Okay, I have one other idea. Let me go get more popsicle sticks. Okay, I'm gonna lay my popsicles down, sticks down, and put one on the bottom. And we'll start gluing them from there. Can you see? I got one there, one there. I'm gonna glue all the way down and all the way down. Okay. And then start putting my popsicle sticks across. Oh, I hope this works. Come on, Raft. All right, let's see. You know, you might have a stronger glue. Maybe not throw it in exactly like that, but that is floating, so that's good. I really wanted it that way. Okay, and I can put the gingerbread boy cookie on there. And right now it's working. You got to go fast though, Gingy. Go fast, go fast, go fast. He's starting to go under a little bit. So if he went super fast, he should be able to make it. All right, friends, I'm excited to see what you are going to come up with for your gingerbread boy boats. All right, let's see. We can try some other things in the classroom that sink and float also, and in your house. Okay, bye-bye.